there we have an image which is presenting what we call computer in general, but we have many types of computers. They are no, it's not like that only. So because a telephone is a computer, tablet is a computer, television is a computer. It's a kind of electronic device that can be programmed and perform the function, the specific function itself. So here we have many kinds of computers. Here we have a laptop, small laptop or personal computer. Here we have a desktop, we have a smartphone, we have a tablet. These all are kinds of computers, but we have many. These are few of them. So as we said, it's an electronic device that can be programmed, that can be set to process, to retrieve or to store any kind of data. So that's what we call computer. And now here we have what we call network. When we say network in general, it's when two things or three things are connected together, are collaborating for the purpose of presenting or for the purpose of functioning the specific task. So now when we say computer in IT, it's when we connect two or more electronic devices together for the purpose of sharing information, for the purpose of communicating to each other. So now here we have a small network where two computers are connected together. Here we have two desktops which are communicating. It means that between these two computers we have what we call network, because they are communicating, they are connected together. So here we have a deep explanation. So you see here we have a computer A and the computer B which are communicating, which are they are connected together and communicating. So computer A is sending the information, is sending data, is sending files to computer B, and the computer B is receiving what is receiving informations, and also computer B can provide, can respond, can give a feedback to computer A. So that's why we have a network there, because both of them they are communicating. So this is the short image and the short explanation, which are clear, can explain what we call network. So when we say network is when you connect your smartphone and your computer and your smart Internet of Things or IoT devices together for generating, for providing, for performing the specific task. So now we may continue for computer networking types. I think now we have a hint. Now we go to what we call computer network. So when we say a computer, it's that these electronic devices can be programmed, can be set to store, to process, to perform specific function itself. So when you say network is when you connect these kinds of electronic devices together for the specific purpose or for creating the communication between them. So now here we have a common or main computer network types. First of all, we have many network types accordingly. So they used here according to the size, to the type of workplace, to the type of enterprises, or all kind of communication they need to create. So now we are going to look for three main types of computer network we mainly used here. So first of all, we have what we call LAN. LAN, it's a small local area network which is there for being used for set in a small area network, as it is local. It's a local area network. So you see here we have a small image when we have a 3 or 4 computers or 2 computers which are communicating, which are connected together. It means that there we have what we call network. So which is local, which is in local, because you see here maybe it's the same building, it's in the same room, so and they are communicating together. You see there we have an interconnection device. We shall see it's called switch, which is there for creating a communication between these clients or these end devices. So it can be switch, it can be hub, it can be access point. So but the kind of this network is called local area network, because as you see there we have the same, or we have one network which is set in a small geographical area. So as I told you, the LAN, it's a local area network. It means that network implemented in a local place. So it can be implemented in a hospital, schools, small enterprises, at house, at home. So there, when you have a wireless router or wireless access point, and use it at your home, you and your family, it means there you already have a network, because your devices are connected to the same network, so that they can share information, even if some of you, they don't know if it can, but they can, not using WhatsApp or Instagram, not using any social media. So by using only a connection between your devices, as you are connected to the same network, that's what we call LAN. So we have the second one, which is called WAN, or wide area network. So it's a network which connects different and many LANs together for the purpose of creating a communication between them. So you see there we have 3 LANs. It's an example, so they can be 4, 5, 6, 7, or 10. That's a sample. So as you see, let us suppose that here we have a continent, and this is a continent, and this. So here we have it's a wide area network which can be covered or which can be implemented in a large area. So here it can connect countries together, continents, cities, for creating a communication between them. As you see, as you know, when we have a thing that can make communication, that can create channel between different countries, different states, different continents, that stuff is very big. So when we are creating a one communication or one connection, one network, we must we implement this kind of network in large geographical area. So that's mainly used for connecting continents, countries, cities, and other area which is very large. So you see there, maybe when let us suppose that this LAN is from let's suppose that this LAN is from USA, this is from Canada, and this is from Germany, for example, or Russia. So when they are connected together, so that's for creating the communication between these 3 countries or these 3 states, that's what we call wide area network. So some of you, they knew that we have a network in general, but you have to specify, you have to differentiate. When you are using a network, which kind of network am I using? Which kind of LAN am I using? Which kind of computer network am I accessing? Which kind of computer network am I connected to? So you have to specify as an expert. So as I told you, it's a wide area network. So we have the last one, or the third one, which is called a MAN, or metropolitan area network. It's not small, and even it's not large, but it is a medium-sized network which can be implemented like in city. So here we have a simple one. Here we have a LAN, and this is LAN, this LAN, and this. So it's totally different from WAN, because WAN can be used to connect more than one cities. But here, as you see, it connects the single city. For example, it's a Kigali city, or Bruxelles city. So when we have a single city, which are connected together where they can communicate, but the connection is implemented in a single city. It's called the metropolitan. It's not LAN. It's not LAN, it's not WAN, it's a metropolitan. So as experts, you have to specify when you are accessing network, you have to specify what kind of network am I using. It will be better. So as I told you, it's a metropolitan area network. So that's what we call computer network types, which are main. So we have many. We have personal area network, storage area network, and many things, many many types of computer network. So now these are mainly computer network types. So thank you for watching. Thank you for giving me your time. See you next time in next session. Bye bye.